Eco-friendly home tips. Let's get started.
Hi Alex. I just bought this house, and I want to furnish it in a way that's eco-friendly. Can you help me figure out where to start?
Absolutely, Susan. That's fantastic.
Great. What's the first thing I should think about?
You can start with insulation. Properly insulating your walls, roof, and floors helps regulate temperature naturally. I recommend using eco-friendly materials like cellulose or sheep's wool.
Why is insulation so important?
Because it reduces the need for heating and cooling. Without good insulation, your energy bills go up, and your home feels less comfortable.
Got it. What about windows?
Excellent question. Installing double-glazed or low-emissivity windows helps keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer. They reduce heat transfer and save energy.
So they help with temperature control too?
Exactly. Plus, they reduce noise and improve security. It's a smart investment for any eco-conscious homeowner.
I've been thinking about paint colors. Does that matter?
It does. You can choose light-colored, non-toxic paints. Look for low VOC or zero VOC options. They are safer for your health and reflect more natural light.
VOC. What does that mean?
It stands for volatile organic compounds. These are chemicals that can evaporate into the air and cause health problems. Low VOC paints are much safer.
Thanks for explaining. What about flooring?
You can go for sustainable materials, like bamboo, cork, or reclaimed wood. They are renewable and have a lower environmental impact than traditional hardwood or vinyl.
I love the look of bamboo. Is it durable?
Very. Bamboo is strong, stylish, and grows quickly, making it a great eco-friendly choice.
What else should I consider in the design?
Natural ventilation. Arrange windows and openings to allow fresh air to flow through your home. It can reduce the need for air conditioning and keep the air fresh.
That sounds refreshing. Does it help with humidity too?
Yes, it does. Good airflow prevents mold and improves indoor air quality. It's especially important in humid climates.
Let's talk about lighting. What's the best option?
LED bulbs are the way to go. They use up to 80% less energy than traditional bulbs and last much longer.
I've heard about smart lighting. Is that part of being eco-friendly?
Definitely. Smart lighting systems let you control brightness and timing, reducing unnecessary energy use.
What about solar panels? Are they worth it?
If your roof gets enough sunlight, solar panels are fantastic. They generate clean energy and can lower your electricity bills over time.
I'll look into that. Are there other smart devices I should consider?
Yes, smart thermostats. They learn your habits and adjust heating or cooling automatically, saving energy while keeping you comfortable.
Alex, I've been thinking about water usage. Are there ways to make my home more water efficient?
Absolutely. One of the simplest upgrades is installing low-flow faucets and shower heads. They reduce water consumption without compromising water pressure.
Will I notice a difference in how they feel?
Not really. They are designed to mix air with water, so the flow feels just as strong, but uses much less.
That's clever. What about toilets?
Dual flush toilets are a great option. They offer 2 flush settings, one for liquid waste and one for solids. You only use the water you need.
I didn't know that was a thing. Does it save much?
Yes, it can save thousands of liters of water every year, especially in a busy household.
What about outdoor water use? I love gardening.
Then you'll love rainwater harvesting. You can collect rain in storage tanks and use it to water your plants.
Is it complicated to set up?
Not at all. There are simple systems that connect to your gutters. It's a great way to reduce your reliance on tap water.
I'll definitely look into that. Should I be checking for leaks too?
Yes, regularly. Even a small leak can waste hundreds of liters over time and cause damage if left untreated.
I'll make that part of my routine. Let's talk about furniture.
You can start by considering second-hand or upcycled furniture. You'll find unique pieces with character and history.
I love vintage styles. Is it really better for the environment?
Definitely. It keeps furniture out of landfills and reduces the demand for new manufacturing, which consumes a lot of resources.
What about fabrics for sofas and curtains?
Choose natural fabrics like organic cotton, linen, hemp, or wool. They are biodegradable and free from harmful chemicals.
Are synthetic fabrics harmful?
They can shed microplastics and often contain chemical treatments. Natural fabrics are healthier and more sustainable.
I'll keep that in mind. Should I avoid plastic decor?
Yes, whenever possible. Opt for wood, metal, or glass. These materials are more durable and don't contribute to plastic pollution.
I've seen eco-friendly mattresses online. Are they worth it?
Absolutely. Look for ones made from natural latex, organic wool, or cotton. They are non-toxic and better for both your health and the planet.
Alex, I've been thinking about how much waste we produce at home. What can I do to reduce it?
That's a great question. Start by setting up a home recycling station. You may consider organizing separate bins for paper, plastics, glass, metal, and compost.
I like that idea.
When recycling is convenient, people are more likely to do it properly. It helps reduce landfill waste and conserves resources.
You mentioned composting. Can I do that indoors?
Yes. You can use a countertop compost bin for food scraps like fruit peels and vegetable trimmings. It's clean and odor-free if managed well.
What do I do with the compost?
You can use it in your garden or potted plants. It enriches the soil naturally and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers.
That's amazing. I never thought food waste could be useful.
It's one of the most powerful ways to reduce methane emissions from landfills. Composting turns waste into something valuable.
Let's talk about indoor air. I want my home to feel fresh and healthy.
You may consider adding indoor plants. They purify the air and create a calming atmosphere.
Any plants you recommend?
Spider plants, peace lilies, and snake plants are great. They are easy to care for and excellent at removing toxins.
I've always used air fresheners at home. Are they okay for an eco-friendly space?
It's better to avoid synthetic air fresheners. Many contain chemicals that can affect your respiratory health and indoor air quality.
Oh, I didn't realize that. What should I use instead?
Try essential oils or simmer pots. You can boil citrus peels, herbs, or spices on the stove to create natural scents.
That sounds lovely. I'll try that with orange peels and cinnamon.
Perfect choice. It's safe, smells great, and adds a cozy touch to your home.
What else can I do to keep the air fresh?
Ventilation is key. Open windows regularly, and use exhaust fans, especially when cooking or cleaning. Without fresh air, indoor pollutants build up. Opening windows helps remove moisture and odors naturally.
Good to know. What about moisture in the bathroom?
Use a ventilation fan or open a window after showers. It prevents mold and keeps humidity levels balanced.
I've seen mold before. It's hard to remove.
Exactly. Prevention is much easier than cleanup. Proper airflow is your best defense.
I've learned that sustainability isn't just about saving the planet, it's about creating a better life.
Exactly. It's about living with intention, comfort, and care for yourself and the world around you.
Thank you so much, Alex. You've helped me see my home in a whole new way.
It's been a pleasure, Susan. You're building something truly special.
I'm going to start implementing these tips right away. Would you please provide me the quotation of the design?
Definitely.
I can't wait to see the transformation.